Hello everyone, welcome to this video where Sarah claims that there's this point, -1, -4, lies on the line y equals to 2x minus 5. Do you agree with Sarah? Explain your answer and show all the working clearly. So for this kind of question, we are going to substitute the x coordinate into the equation. So I repeat, step 1, substitute the x coordinate of the point into the equation. So in this case, y equals to 2x minus 5. And let's see what happens. So y equals to 2x, but my x now is -1 minus 5. So this will give me a value of -7. Step 2, compare this with this. So that is the second point. Compare the value of y found with the y coordinate of the point. If they are the same, the point is on the line. But in this case, are they the same? No. One is -7, the other one is -4. So since y does not equal to -4, I do not agree with Sarah. And the point is not on the line. Y equals to 2x minus 5. With that, we have come to the end of this video. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.